You tell me what it is. Far out. Gary! Gary!
I can hear you.
Gary, come.
Where?
Right outside above us. Switch the light off, please.
Oh, for God's sake. What?
Right above the light.
Yeah, aircraft.
No, it's not. Have a look. Come behind the camera. Is that aircraft?
No. Looks like a flare. Where's your knockers?
On the seat behind. I'm shaking too much. I had to take it off the tripod to catch it.
Why?
Hey?
Why?
I lost it again. Okay. I try to zoom in a bit more. I'm pretty shaky.
It's a flare.
It's a flare.
Mm.